Iran, 88 million people, vast territory. Israel, 9.7 million in a compact region. Iran's military, 610,000 active troops. Israel fields 169,000 with strong reserves. Iran operates about 1,500 battle tanks. Israel uses around 2,200 modern tanks. Iran holds over 7,000 artillery units. Israel has around 530 precision systems. Iran uses older APCs and BMPs. Israel fields over 1,300 armored carriers. Iran has 350 fighter jets. Israel matches with 339 jets and helicopters. Iran's navy includes 17 submarines. Israel operates 5 advanced subs. Iran's missiles reach 2,000 kilometers. Israel's can reach up to 6,500 kilometers. Iran uses Bavar and S-300 systems. Israel relies on Iron Dome and Arrow. Iran boosts cyber attacks abroad. Israel leads with AI cyber defense. Iran enriches uranium for nuclear power. Israel stays silent with suspected warheads. Iran mass-produces Shahed drones. Israel uses drones for targeted strikes. IRGC trains for rapid ground action. Israel's elite forces are battlefield tested. Israeli airstrikes hit Iranian missile sites. Tehran responds with regional threats. Iran mobilizes the Basij militia. Israel activates large reserve forces. Iran spends up to $25 billion on defense. Israel's budget reaches around $30 billion. Iran focuses on drone warfare. Israel develops loitering munitions. Iran builds its weapons domestically. Israel exports advanced military tech. Iran supports regional proxy groups. Israel relies on precision and speed. Iran controls key sea routes. Israel hosts U.S. strategic assets. Iran uses electronic jamming units. Israel runs integrated EW systems. Recent months saw heavy clashes. Hundreds of missiles were intercepted. Global rankings: Israel 15, Iran 16. A tight and evolving balance of power. Land, air, sea, cyber. One tense equation. Strategic balance or coming flashpoint.